All right, guys, I'm going to demo this what causes cloud formation lab for you today. I'm just going to read the intro. You guys could follow along as I go over this on your own document that I posted. It says, what causes cloud formation? Clouds form when water vapor in the air condenses into water droplets or ice. These clouds might produce rain, snow, hail, sleet, or freezing rain. All right, so the procedure, I'm gonna set all this stuff up for you. I don't have a glass bowl, so I'm using just regular glass, what I have, so I'm gonna adjust a little bit according to the materials that I have, and then I have the plastic wrap and tape here to tape up the plastic wrap, and you're gonna see how the setup is here in a minute. I made this. You guys don't have to do it this way if you don't want to, but it asks you to observe the surface of the plastic wrap directly under the ice cubes every 10 minutes for 30 minutes or until the ice melts. So what I did was I just set up this table. I think this is important just to help you keep your thoughts organized and remember, what happened at each time increment. So 0 minutes, we're probably not going to see a whole lot. So there's not going to be a lot that you would write in here for your observations. But when we get to 10, 20, and 30 minutes, you'll probably have a little bit more to write. All right, so I'm going to set it up and then I'll unpause. Okay, so this is the setup. I tried my best to create that little divot that they were talking about in the procedure, but it's a little bit hard. Obviously, if you've ever done anything with plastic wrap, you'll understand. Okay, so this is at the 0 minute. Again, we are observing the surface of the plastic wrap directly under the ice cubes every 10 minutes for 30 minutes. So you're just going to observe what's happening right underneath there, right? So not really a whole lot is going on this plastic wrap. It's starting to get a little bit foggy, I would say, a little cloudy. I'm going to go ahead and put the ice on, and then we'll come back in 10 minutes. All right, this is at 10 minutes. So if you're keeping this chart, your observations, you could write in here at the 10-minute mark. Again, follow along here, but observe the surface of the plastic wrap directly under the ice cubes every 10 minutes. All right, so at 10 minutes, we have this going on. So it's definitely foggy in here. Right underneath, we have some water droplets that are forming on the underside of this plastic wrap. So this is all dry on top, by the way, and they're under here. So I wish I could give you guys a better angle from underneath to show you, but I really can't. So here's what's happening at 10 minutes. Sorry about that. And I'm going to pause, go another 10. We'll be back. All right. If you're keeping track of the observations, this is going to go in at your 20-minute mark. All right, so here's what's going on underneath this bag of ice. Again, this is dry. It's the underside of the plastic wrap that actually is collecting the water droplets. So I would say we have a lot less fog here, more water droplets. And it's hard to tell because this tape is a little cloudy too, so it kind of gives the appearance of the fog. But, all right, going back on, and see you in 10 more minutes. All right, so we are at the 30-minute mark. If you're keeping track of your observations, that's going in right here. All right, so it looks similar. Maybe even some more water droplets have started accumulating now. Oh, and you can just see what just happened right there. I've also noticed it over the last minute or so, but the more water that accumulates here, it kind of sinks down to the bottom, and there you go. I made it do that, but they've been actually dropping down, so we have some essentially rain going on in here. All right, that's it. So if you need to go back and rewind, obviously you can do that, but your assignment for today is to answer these 3 analysis questions, and you could save them on a Google Doc and just upload them right on the assignment here, hit the submit button. All right, have a good one, guys.